Welcome, performance poet Charlie Dark. The experience of Naija 70s style.
Nigeria, 1970. Noisy, sweaty, humid, sunshine was burning bright. And the traffic and the people in funky Lagos were hitting you harder than hard. As soon as the plane landed and the doors opened, I ran down the steps and kissed the floor and headed for the airport doors. The heat hit me, burning, temperature bright, absorbing me like osmosis. The consuming, colourful culture was my newfound friends. My suitcase precariously balancing on their heads hit me to the latest spots, bars and secret havens. But my virgin ears could pay homage to the polyrhythmic sheets of sound, mercilessly raining down on the eyes, ears and feet of those brave enough to listen to the monsoon of rhythm, the army of sound, in homage to distant ancestors buried beneath the ground, who whisper secret patterns to master drummers, beating blocks and trees. We were gathered in circles, evoking spirits, while I was dancing you into sweat-drenched submission at the shrine. Moving you when the band begins to play. She go dance the fire dance, beautiful African woman. She go dance to fragrant sounds like King Sunny Ade, Bono Mono, E.T. Mensah and his tempos, Victor Olaya, Orlando Julius and his Afro sounders, Bala Miller and the Pyramids, and more and more and more, and the funkies and whilst the Western world tuned in, turned on and dropped out to the funkopolitan theatrics of the James Brown. Please, please. We were getting on our good foot to our own Godfather soul, the hymn of Afrobeat, Fela Kuti, arrested, detained, imprisoned and framed, but you could never, by now you should know you could never stop the burning flames burning, because I've seen the light of candles flickering in the moonlight as market women trade their wares on concrete floors, conversing in the tongues and dialects of tribes as old as the earth itself. And I, with my own ears, have heard the dreadful knock of soldiers at compound doors, burning, looting, hunting for black presidents and hiding in towns, villages and cities which are bursting, splitting at the seams. And how do I know this? Because I am a child born of the 70s, born me 1971, the first and only son of a professor who came here courtesy of Pan Am, armed with a suitcase